This is a checklist: permanent residence, PNP, provincial nominee class, and Quebec skilled workers. You must apply under the non-express entry workers online. Okay. All right. So you can read this. So generic application, definitely this we are gonna do. Schedule a background 5669. Additional dependent if applicable. Let's say he doesn't have to. Supplementary principal appliance part of the application. The PDF form is so will definitely do. Schedule for economic class. Complete principal and if schedule a for economic class. Complete person if you have been nominated under a business stream. So schedule for economic class. So this was there in the checklist. I mean, in that online account that we just see. Let's say not under like let's say you have not accepted under business class, but if you have accepted, you're gonna uh, upload this form also. I'll show you how. Declaration to reside in Quebec. So this is if you are applying under Quebec, forget it. Additional family information. Okay. Use of a representative. Let's say he is not appointing any representative, so this is not applicable. Travel document passport. Yes, why not? Document checklist. Now certificate of selection of Quebec. Let's say not applicable here. Nomination from one of the provinces that has nominated you. Proof of language proficiency. Identity as civil document. They have given what are the documents you got to do. Birth certificate, legal documents showing marriage certificate, if applicable, of course. National IDs. These things you need to do. So I select yes. Children, if applicable. Police certificate and clearance certificate. Yes, why not? Photo requirements. Fee payment. Yes. Okay, now I'm going back to the digital login area.